Our reading is taken from the book of Matthew, chapter 16, verse 28, and 1 Corinthians, chapter 15, 51. Not all of us will taste death. Not all of us will die. But in a wink of an eye, we will be changed. Sino kaya who could able to remain in this world in the day of the judgment with physical form, without fear? There are some who will not die. Basing on this verse, we cannot change this verse. We cannot alter words, no? Because this is the Word of God. We must respect to the Word of God. So hindi lahat mamamatay, totoo. At nagdepende ito sa ating ginagawa araw-araw, how to worship God, how to adore God, expressing love, expressing our hope. Magkaroon tayo ng pag-asa sa buhay sa ngayon. Kaya kung wala tayong pag-asa, paano tayo mananatili sa sitwasyon ngayon sa sanlibutan ito na napakarami na pong nangyayari sa ating mundo. So it is a challenge to all of us how to exist, no? Paano tayo, kahit mataas na ang ating edad, ay manatili pa rin tayong buhay. Walang imposible sa Diyos, di ba?